What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka iingkashari Special Judge Pokso Juwai West Giant Hills, Klarai Penrem Ya Bright Star Mi Nangba, Hapo Kakendon 3A4 Joka Pokso Act Arjar Kat R, Namar Kajindon Kati Hakabale beijot Yakawe Khynnah, Kabadang Kat Saus Nemerta, Hakajingjia Kabalajia House Nem Arjar Kat Pra, Dakabaset Phatok Shipos Nem. Kani Kajingjia Kalawan Long Lingba Kajimudui E Jahar Hakasau Trik Naiwing Arjar Kat Kendai, Hapo Juwai Police Station, Hakaba Uni Ubriu Belasak Kendok Don Kti, Ulale Yakane Kambaman Persya Yakane Khynnah Red, Nadu Ubnai Nailur Arjar Kat Pra, Dakaba Bertenru Yakane Khynnah, Bakam De Banyatu Ubriu. Ya Kajing Tokit Halor Kani Kajingjia, Lapelong Daka WPSI, I Karpran. Hadian belakut Kajingtian Bishar, Iingkashari Kalarai Penrem Ya Uni Runar, Dakabaset Phatok Shipos Nem, Haringkat Kekuna Arpo Jartingka, Balada Umlak Ban Siu Ya Kani Kekuna, Unhap Ban Shongtam Sahenriu Bunai Hapatok.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.